All right, forward paddle. Keep going. Keep going hard, guys, hard. Dig it in. Keep going. We're getting up behind this rock. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Oh, that's a reset. Oh, he got out. Oh, that was actually good for him. She knocked him out of that hole. Yeah. Give us one back. Push off that rock up there. Let's go 2. 2. Come on, guys. We're going to get in here. 3. One more. Yeah. You guys be ready to get down. You come out in here, remember, swim right behind this rock. Let's go 2. Can you see if anyone's coming? All right. Give me 1. Push off that rock. Push off hard. Dang, we ain't got time. Ugh. We'll get another one downstream. Let's go forward 2. Yeah. Had that wreck in front of us. Kind of messed everything up. Give me 2. 3 more. We'll make sure we're up in the front tomorrow. We're definitely getting in there. Give me 3. I would do it anyway, but give me 2. I just don't want Triplet to be down there freaking out thinking that something happened to us. Give me 1. Oh, this will be fun. No, that red boat's about to flip. Oh no, he's stuck. But as soon as he comes off that, if we're still here, he's gonna flip. Wow. Always keep a watch on it if it's coming off. Give me 1. Oh yeah, there they go. Oh, you just totally missed it.
They're not even in formation.
Give me 1. 1 more. 2. 2 more. Yeah. Man, those customers in that boat must be like rethinking their decision right about now. Alright, coming up next, our first opportunity to ride the bull. It'll be down here around the bend. It's called Double Suck. Or I mean Double Trouble. We just ran Double Suck.
Yeah, this one's the picture one?
Yep. Yeah, go ahead. Wait 1 second, actually. Let me straighten it back up so you don't fall off. Alright. So, Rob and Yvette, they're going to be taking your pictures on the right bank. I'll point the cameraman out when I see him. Let's smile real big when we go through there. One. Start looking for that cameraman on the right. All right, good job, Marcin. Let's go forward 2. Give me 1. Here you go, Marcin. 1 more. Go 2. Two. Go 3. Huh? Yeah. Let's go forward 2. We're the last of our company, yeah. Because we pulled over and we're going to surf double suck there, and then the other company started coming through. So this one right here is called left, right, left. Honestly, it's about as exciting as it sounds. Yeah, we're not gonna get lost though. I guess is a good thing about it. But give me 1. Yeah, the reason they call it left, right, left just because the angle you take through here. We keep the boat left and then we turn it right and then we go left. Give me 2. Back 1, back 1, back 1. Give me 2 forward. 2 more. Go forward 2. 2 more. Coming up right up here, we're going to shoot between the rock and the bank up here. This one's called squeeze play. Little class 2, nothing to get overly excited about, but it's a good little bump. Give me 1. This next one coming up is called Flipper. It's called Flipper. That's right. It ain't named after the dolphin. We know this. I'm going to call all forward when we get up here. I need everyone to paddle hard together and don't stop until I tell you. Give me 1. If you guys stop paddling or get off course, we gonna swim. Give me 1. All forward, don't stop. Keep going. Good, that's good, stop. Mr. Friendly right here likes the right side pretty good. I think 2's more of a lefty. Give me 2. Two more. One more. One more. Get down. Lean left, lean left. Everybody up, up, up. Paddle forward hard. Hard, go forward. Keep going. All right, give me 2 now. 2 more. 2 more. Yep. We're gonna get in here and surf a little bit. I'm gonna call get down when we get in here. You can get down if you want to. If not, it's slow moving water right down through there. You don't need to try to swim back to us. Just float on down there and we'll come pick you up, or you can get on another boat. But we'll be down there at the halfway point shortly. You want to try it. It's fun. Go forward 1. One more. One more. One more. Get down. Everybody up. Give me 2. 3 more. 2 more. Come on, paddle hard for me. Give me 3. Do we want to go back in and surf again? Or do we want to float down and swim?
Float down.
Float down and swim? Give us 2 then. Two more. Yeah, we missed last time swimming down here when they came last time because we were in there surfing for like 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, just getting it.
I like the part when we all
You mean 2? The part where we all what?
like we do 360.
Oh yeah, that's fun. Get 2 more. So we're about to be in this flat, slow water down here. We call it the doldrums, alright? It's the halfway point of our journey. Once we get past this little white break right here, we can you can leave your paddles in the boat and jump out and swim if you'd like.
Stick them right here under.
Yeah, just leave them how you were like when we were carrying the boat. Give me 2. Only thing I ask is if you stay somewhat close to the boat. You ain't got to be right on it. All right, whenever you guys want.
How shallow is it?
It's over your head in the middle.
You're gonna float. You're not gonna go anywhere? There's like no rapid.
Come on, Lex. Are you scared now? All that talk?
It's a good time to do it. When that guy went in Monday, come on this side.
Oh yeah, that was at a different place where we were swimming. That's where the current's, you know, a little stronger. It's actually a rapid. It doesn't really matter right here. It can be anywhere.
Jump up.
You gonna swim that rapid today, Marcin? Swimmers?
I think so.
Yeah, we'll have a chance on down here on the second half where you guys want to feel what it's like to swim a rapid. It's a small class rapid, and it's not really any big rocks or anything in there, so Yeah, you can feel what it's like to be in the current.